I'm not gonna push the Evo too much. Let's see how much it takes to fill up. Good morning, Evo family. How are you guys doing today? Bright and early today for you guys. Quick cold start. It's about 6 a.m. right now, and I hope my neighbors don't take this as early morning revenge, but you always got to prime up the engine, let it warm up. Oh. Okay, we're getting there. Gonna let this bad boy warm up and then get some gas because we are low on gas. Yeah, this boy not only warming up the engine, but warming up everything else. It got pretty cold last night. You guys can see the windshield. But this boy is fuming. You guys hear the chop from the engine. But yeah, let this warm up and then we're on our way. All right, you guys. Well, we are warmed up and we are ready to go. Hope you guys are having a great day. It is a beautiful morning today here in the city of San Francisco, where this usually very lively street is practically asleep still. That being said though, the point of this video is we are low on E. Technically, I would say we are low on gas. So we are gonna be pumping. I'm gonna be near empty by the time I get to the gas station. As I was saying, what is typically a very busy, congested street is very empty and slowly waking up. We got homies, you know, crossing streets, running late to work, or trying to be the first in line, but no traffic right now. Don't you just love it when streets are empty? Now you guys, for today's video, what we got going on today is, as you guys can tell, we are relatively low on gas. That being said, we are going to be seeing how much it costs to fill up the Evo 10 on E85. And typically I would do a rip here, but we are low on gas, so I'll give you guys a little spool up. I just love when these streets are empty. Look at this. It is too bad I am low on gas. Otherwise, I'd be wreaking havoc down this street. Oh, we got my boy on some 22s. Okay, brother. My boy came out tough with the freak. What are these? Man, these deep dish 3-piece wheels going nuts. Okay, brother. Oh, yup. Now you simply can't complain when you wake up early on a Saturday. No traffic as of right now, I'm gonna knock on wood. But you can tell that the freeway is freely running right now. Our trip's gonna be rather short. Typically it's always congested here, but like I said, I'm not gonna push the Evo too much just because today's real objective of the video, our true objective of the video today is just to see how much gas and how much it costs to fill up the tank. Look at this, oh my God, this is glory right here. patrol up ahead, patrolling traffic, I guess. Delaying traffic, I would guess you could say, the flow of traffic. It's all right, we're getting off on this exit either way. You can never be too sure about traffic. Hopefully when we hop back on, there's no traffic. Take our exits. Damn, S5, I guess that S5 is down for the count. Get tired of that spool. And look at that sunrise, you guys. The peak of the sunrise right there. So they got the one I needed, so I'm gonna reverse into it. Hopefully homie isn't too pressed on that. But we have arrived, you guys. Look, there's not even people here in line ready for tires. That's how you know it's a not slow, but that's how you know it's an early morning. We got our homies grinding bright and early, and me filling up on gas, getting ready for a car meet. All right, you guys, so let's check it. So we are relatively low on gas. I believe capacity on these Evos is not the greatest. They do have small tanks. I know that from personal experience from my Evo 8. So as of right now, let's see how much range we have actually. Give me 1 second, let's see. So we have, I guess our range is not even up for count. It's not even questionable. So we have 0 miles as of right now, according to our onboard computer. So that being said, let's fill up on some E85 and see how much it takes to fill this thing up. All right, let's get it. It is still relatively cold out today. Pop this thing. All right, so first things first. Remember, you guys, remove slowly. So, all right, you guys, $3.59 for E. Let's see how much it takes to fill up. All right, now before we get our final count, go down in the comments, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. How much is it gonna take to fill up the Evo X? I'm thinking 55, maybe. But we're gonna let that fill up on gas. Car is still dirty. I should probably wash that off right now. But you guys see a quick walk around. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. Please let me know down below what you guys want to see more of. Like I said, as of right now, we are filling up on gas. We're gonna be linking up with some of the homies, and we're gonna be heading to a car meet. Purpose of this video, like I said, was just to fill up on gas, see how much it takes to fill up the E when it's relatively on empty. Obviously, our numbers would be higher if we were to be filling up on, ooh, Scotty? That is a Scat Pack. If we were to be filling up on some 91, because 91 is almost $5. E is, oh, I should have paid cash, but I don't even have cash on me right now, you guys. Look, I only got $1. That dollar is gonna be saved for who knows what. We'll see where that dollar goes. We're at $30 right now. I said 55, I think I was off. Like I said, you guys go down in the comments, let me know how much you guys think we're filling up on. Because I think capacity on these Evo, oh, look at that. It's a good thing we didn't hop on the freeway yet, but he might be posted somewhere. I think capacity on these is 12 gallons, I'm not sure. We're right about to hit 40. Come on, man. Oh, what? Really? So maybe I was right. I think these are 12 gallon capacity tanks. I might have had a gallon left of gas. There you guys have it. $40.58. I was off by a hell of a lot. If you got it, spot on, or 40. If you said 40 in the comments before this, or even 41, this dollar is for you. So you guys have it. Whatever you want to do, put it towards your savings for an Evo. This pump is weird, but do we want a receipt? No, we don't. No, we don't, but thank you. All right, cap this up. Remember, remove slowly, but fasten it tightly. There we go. Now, there's only one thing. Oh, of course. Man, I fill you up on gas and you try to act up on me. It's crazy. But there's only one thing left. One proper thing to do after a full tank. But I don't know, because we did see a CHP officer kind of pass by. Not sure how it's looking over there. But we should get a pull in before pulling up. That first start after a full tank is what gets you. Look, now we got about 140 miles. Honestly, that's not gonna last 140. The way this Evo's set up, the way my driving skills are set up, the way I like, or the way you guys like to see videos, it's not lasting 140 miles. That's 100% guaranteed. All right, you guys, we are ready to rock. Safety first. Oh, look, so we're down to 80 on our ethanol module, or ethanol gauge, I would say. We were up at like 82, but I think that's because I was low on gas, so it was sipping up all that good bottom of the barrel stuff. Bright and early, that sunrise is undefeated every time, but not as undefeated as a pull after filling up. Well, you guys, let me get that pull in for you guys. Definitely gonna have to bring us down to a lower gear. Because like I said, nothing beats getting a pull in after filling up on gas. And like I said, that 140 is not gonna last us 140 miles. Guaranteed right off the bat already. Was $40 worth it to fill up an Evo 10? Did I overpay? Are these inflated prices just getting to us, or is that relatively reasonable? Because honestly, that tank's probably gonna last me maybe like 3 days. Who knows? Future video though, I'll be doing a Can You Daily built Evo X, just so you guys get an understanding of how quick a gas tank really goes down, at least on E, because obviously it's tuned on ethanol, but it has the flex fuel sensor, which allows me to, you know, run whatever ethanol to actual gas that I want to run. Meaning I could do an E blend of like E70, E50 if I want, E30. This guy's trying to cut me off. No, he's not. Maybe he is, who knows? But at least we know, full tank, $40 and some change. I mean, hey, the 140 it's holding steady. We'll see if it goes up or if it goes down. More than likely to go down. But as of right now, we're gonna be linking up with some of the homies. Like I said, we are heading to a car meet. This is probably gonna be a separate video. This particular video is geared towards our experience at the gas station and seeing exactly how much it cost and who could have nailed it and got the actual number. So with that being said, I am gonna close out the video. I truly hope you guys are enjoying the content.